Hey everyone, it's Darcy Hardy with the Hardy Group at eXp Realty. Besides doing real estate today, I'm doing a little bit of home improvement. We just bought a house and we're in the process of renovating it before we move in. And we have a wall here that's about 10 feet long, normal size ceiling, so about 7, 8, something like that. And it is all wallpaper. And not only that, they were kind enough to paint on top of the wallpaper several times over the past years. So my project today is getting this down. It shouldn't take too long because I have the right tools, and having the right tools is necessity when you're doing this. Okay, so the first tool is this little guy right here. On the back, it has these things that score the paper. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. It's a little dark over here, but you can see all those marks in the wallpaper. That gets through the paint and goes far enough so liquid can get into the wallpaper. That's what we want. So the next step is I have this great tool right here with a wand. They sell this stuff at most hardware stores, and this particular one is it's a wallpaper stripper, but it's a concentrated. So they sell it in where you can just spray, but I figured it would be better to, and more economical to get it so I can put into this sprayer right here. So it only takes 2 capfuls per gallon, and then just spray it on the wall. Super easy to do. Just spray it like so. Okay, now I sprayed some a little while ago, so I'm going to show you how that works. Now, there's a tool that the same company, Zinzer, it's a New Zealand company. They have this tool also for scraping. I don't like this tool, so don't bother getting that one. Instead, I use this right here. Works great. Let me show you how it works. This pulls right off. Super easy. It comes off pretty easy if you have it saturated enough and if you let it sit for a little while. That went all the way down. So now we've got some residue on here. We want to make sure we take care of that residue. So I found this sponge which has a gritty side to it. It is, I believe, called a drywall sponge or drywall sanding sponge. Get some warm water, squeeze it out, and just run it over. And it actually takes all that extra glue and paper right off of there. So it makes it so it's nice and easy, not sticky anymore. You can clean the whole thing up that way. So far, I've been here at it for maybe an hour and a half or so. Got a lot of wallpaper on the ground. I estimate it'll probably take me 2 hours to finish up the wall in total. So it's not that bad. All right, hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.